Welcome back to Kallimantia, Nature's Wonders. Today, we will be discussing the fascinating world of parrots and exploring how these magnificent birds contribute to the environment and hold a special place in our world. Parrots are not only beautiful and intelligent creatures, but also play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Let's dive into the wonderful world of parrots. The beauty of parrots. Parrots are renowned for their vibrant colors, remarkable plumage, and charming personalities. These qualities make them a favorite choice for pets. However, their significance extends beyond their captivating appearance. Did you know that there are over 390 different species of parrots worldwide? They come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors, making them one of the most diverse groups of birds on our planet. Parrots as guardians of biodiversity. These lovely birds are not just visually stunning creatures. They also play a very crucial role in preserving our beloved environment. One of their most significant contributions is seed dispersal. They consume a wide range of fruits, nuts, and seeds. And as they fly from a tree to another, they inadvertently scatter these seeds across vast areas of the world. This process helps with forest regeneration and the establishment of new plant life, ensuring the survival of various plant species in the entire ecosystem. Pollination partners. In addition to seed dispersal, parrots also act as pollinators for certain plant species. Their long beaks and tongues allow them to access nectar deep within flowers, facilitating the transfer of pollen from one flower to another. As they visit different flowers for nectar, they assist in cross-pollination, which is essential for plant reproduction and genetic diversity. Conservation efforts. Sadly, many parrot species are currently facing various threats, such as habitat loss, illegal wildlife trade, and climate wild change. As responsible individuals, it is essential for us to take action to protect these incredible animals. In fact, there are several ways we can contribute to their conservation. Supporting organizations that work towards parrot conservation, avoiding the purchase of wild-caught parrots, and spreading awareness about the importance of preserving their natural habitats are just a few examples. Just like we are doing here in Kallimantia with our educational videos. Cultural significance. These beautiful birds hold a special place in different cultures around the world. In many indigenous communities, parrots are considered sacred and are symbols of wisdom, beauty, and good luck. For example, in Indian and Hindu culture, parrots have been associated with love and fertility. Often, they are also featured in ancient art, literature, and religious scriptures, further emphasizing their significance. In conclusion to this video, parrots are truly extraordinary creatures that contribute immensely to the environment and have captured the hearts of people worldwide. From their role in seed dispersal and pollination to their cultural significance, parrots remind us of the interconnectedness of all living beings. It is our responsibility to protect and conserve these remarkable birds for future generations to admire and appreciate. Yeah, that is all for today's video on parrots as guardians of the environment. We hope you found this information enlightening and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more nature-related content. Remember, together we can make a difference. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.